Before I get this video started, I am not being sponsored by any of the things or products, I guess, I'm showing in today's video. The reason I'm making today's video is I'm hoping to help others out that's in the same situation I was in. That's the only reason. Let's get started. If you guys been following my videos, you know I have a dog. Yes, I've had a dog ever since I've been doing YouTube, obviously. But one of the things about my dog Kitt is he sheds like there's no tomorrow. And oh my God, I'm here to tell you, he sheds so bad. My seats, what carpet I have in my SUV, are nothing but white. They're nothing but dog hair. And no matter what vacuum I use, and believe me, I go to some of these car washes that have a very powerful vac, and it does it no damn good. It doesn't get it up at all. So I got to looking online. I got to looking in YouTube videos. And I found this. Let me show you a better view of it. This is a brush, and it's kind of like got rubber bristles on it. And this thing bends too. It's hard to bend with one hand, but it bends to get in the tight areas. And what it does is it loosens up that dog hair. And when it loosens it up, you're able to vacuum it off. Now the dog hair you have on the carpet of your car, and if you got cheap carpet like I do, this will get 98 to 99% of that dog hair off. Yes. But on your seats, now my seats, which we will get to that in a minute, it's kind of like got that black fabric. Yeah, it's about maybe, I'm guessing 80%, but if I was able to get a hold of it better, it can get it all off. But it didn't do so good. So guys, I would suggest get one of these, and you scrape it up, vacuum it up, scrape it up, vacuum it up, and you'd be pleased that you did. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you the other thing I got. Well, two more things that we did to our car because of our dog. If your dog rides in a car with you, more than likely you're going to have this problem we did. Your dog's always going to want to try to stick his head, not exactly come up in the front seat. At least Kitt hasn't really tried that much, but he wants to put his head right in the middle console, and it makes it hard to see what's coming to the right or to the, well, not so much to the left. And he's just right there. I don't mind it so much if I'm on back roads, but if I'm on the highway, it gets old, and I keep saying, Kitt, get back, get back. He goes back for about a second, comes right back up. So I changed my Defiant, which is my SUV, I call it Defiant. I changed it into a cop car. What do you mean, Mike? A cop car? I'm fixing to show you. Yes, I got myself a screen. Now, we do have sides of the screen supposed to go out to here, but we're not exactly sure how to put them on yet. But we got a screen, and yes, it does have these, which he hasn't chewed on yet. But I'm going to have to find something probably to cover him, because eventually he will. And I also got a backseat car cover to keep him from getting the backseat all hairy. And this is the part I'm talking about, the black part right here. The brush, yeah. Let me get in front real quick. But there you go. We got ourselves a, I guess a screen like a cop car would. Got ourselves a nice fancy, whoop, camera's crooked, sorry guys. Nice fancy seat covers made for dogs. And the middle console right here, if whoever needs to let it down, all you have to do is unzip this and the middle console will come down. Yeah, every so often you have to straighten it up. And the dog hair would be easy to get off this. See, look, here's a piece of dog hair. My finger's able to move it. But yeah, here's the problem. He kept trying to get up front. He's getting dog hair all over back here. Dog hair all over through there. By the way, I did vacuum this morning, but of course you're going to still get dog hair in some spots. And the brush, which I got it back in this plastic thing. Guys, all three of these things seem to be doing the trick. Let me tell you about the screen. Today's one of my adventure days. I go out and get videos, okay? We put easily 100 miles on the car. Kitt hasn't had his paws on the screen, hasn't tried to come through, hasn't whined, nothing. It could be because he's extremely tired right now, but guys, so far so good. I will give updates down the road in case, you know, he ever did try. I'll let y'all know. But if you guys in the same situation I'm in, your dog trying to come up in the front seat with you, or putting his head here, let me open this up and I'll show you what he keeps standing on. Or he ever, this is what I'm talking about, he keeps standing right on top of that, which the screen will block him from that. Ain't that right, Bubby? He ever keeps doing something like that, and if you're ever tired of trying to get up the dog hair, get a little brush like this, let him up in there, honey. Hey, Bubby. This works like a charm. He doesn't seem to mind it. This is soft for him to stand on, and he just licked the camera. That's okay. He's allowed. But there you go. Okay, Kitt, sit down, Bubby. Sit. Good job. Maybe this will be a thumbnail. That's what I did, guys. So you had a dog or dogs like I do? Go and get you a little brush off Amazon like this. Get you a little screen. And of course, you know, get any kind of backseat cover. But it's working. We've been 100 miles today. Screen's working. And I vacuumed my car out this morning. And that worked. Alright, hope this helps, guys. And I'm not being sponsored. I wish I was, but I'm not. Till next time. Come on. Let's get out of here.